which are about to receive from the goodness surprise all of
Amen.
Wow. Delicious.
Magandang gabi po. Ako po si Andrew. At
Sarap ng pagkain.
masarap ng pagkain ninyo. Hello, Mama. Ito na naman yung
Favorite.
another episode of LTB Moments with
This is what I want.
Mama and Papa. Hello, Mama.
Yeah, I like my food.
Great.
green.
Hello, Papa. This is for memory's sake, Papa,
So today is
This is our favorite restaurant
in the world.
and
sarap ng chop suey.
favorite order. It's lion's rice
Okay, Papa.
with lechon kawali.
Very good, Papa.
Okay.
Nice, ano pala, Papa? Nice chaleco, Papa, or bubble. Ikaw, Mama, nung damit mo. Yeah. Mama.
This came from Australia also. But
From
this
Aussie?
is care of Francis.
Oh.
He bought this to me when we first went to Australia.
Tapos may lansones pa si Mama. Na feeling ko ubus na. And yan po yung ano namin, lion's rice. Mama and Papa.
Kain na doon.
Okay, Mama. Just wanted to ask Mama. What's your wish for me, Mama, for my wedding?
Just happiness and success and long-lasting commitment, loyalty, fidelity.
Okay, very good. Papa, just a casual, Papa. What's your wish for me for my marriage, Papa?
I wish you to have give me a grandson. So that Prangan will
Continue. The last name will continue.
yeah.
Yeah. Okay. We'll see how it goes, Papa. What's the day today pala, Mama and Papa? Today is October.
4, I know. Ano nga yun?
I don't actually know. October 4? Today's October 4, Mama.
Yeah, because tomorrow's Colin's.
Yeah. This might be my birthday celebration with Papa kasi I won't be here on his
Yeah,
birthday on the 18th.
because we'll be
Korea, South.
traveling to Korea.
Yeah, so this is my advance happy birthday celebration with Papa already, Papa.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, Mama?
I'm enjoying it.
Okay, Mama. Any message to Ashton Blaze while
Well, be
He's-
good always.
okay on his
Yes, Dad.
birthday din?
Ikaw ka na ano sa kanya. Ikaw na mag-wish ng birthday sa kanya.
Grabe talaga, Mama. Makulit pa sa Ashton eh. Natulog ba siya kanina, Mama?
Ano mo sa papa niya?
Ayaw nga pala. Nasa labas pala sa Papa.
More than 2 hours.
Yan yung sweet and sour pork po. Lion's rice and lion's rice. And that's it for tonight. Thanks very much, everyone. Say goodbye, Mama, and
Bye.
like, subscribe,
Enjoy.
and I'll
Enjoy
see
our
you.
Food.
Yep.
This is in Rose Bowl, Baguio City.
Okay.
Delicious lion's rice.
Okay. Thanks very much, Mama.